wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide.
Ezvid presents the 7 best truck bed liner kits. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 7. Custom Coat Black can be used to coat or repair your bed lining in very little time thanks to the included spray gun. It's resistant to stains, rust, corrosion and damage from road salt in the winter and will provide a smooth, quiet ride while hauling materials. It comes with detailed instructions and adheres to surfaces immediately, but it is thin and requires multiple coats. At number 6, dupli-color Back 2010 boasts DuPont's Kevlar as an active ingredient, so you can be confident of its strength and durability. This option can withstand extreme weather and will hold up to spills from gasoline or other chemicals. It's a water-based formula that covers a 6-foot bed. However, it takes a long time to dry. Coming in at number 5 on our list, linerxtreeme AA1 comes complete with a spray gun for easy application. It's perfect for short or long beds and can be applied to any primed surface. The set includes 3 gallons of coating that will deliver a professional quality job in very little time. It provides up to 100 square feet of coverage and sports a matte finish, but the included gun could be higher quality. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for truck bed liner kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 4, u-pol Raptor 821 adheres well to any surface that's been adequately primed. It will protect your truck's cargo bay from adverse weather and can even reduce noise and vibrations that come from its underside when going over rough terrain. It's reliably waterproof and includes an applicator gun. It can withstand extreme temperatures. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, rust-oleum 323529 includes sanding pads that can be used to rough up a painted or bare surface to allow for good adhesion. The highly textured finish creates friction, which helps keep items from shifting around while you're driving. It's resistant to chemicals and is a high-strength 2-part epoxy that can be rolled or brushed on. At number 2, als-bl includes detailed instructions outlining the coating process and explaining how to customize the mixture to your desired thickness. It can also be used on a car's undercarriage to help prevent rust that's caused by road salt. This is a 3-part blend that can be mixed in small quantities. It's thick and sets up quickly. And taking the top spot on our list, herculiner HCl1 B8 is a comprehensive roll-on set that will even adhere to wood and concrete. It features a strong polyurethane that prevents rust, scratches and damage that can be caused by gasoline, oil and chemical spills. It comes with 2 rollers and 1 brush and creates a skid-resistant surface that's resistant to chipping and peeling. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for truck bed liner kits, or simply click beneath this video.